How would you like to learn how to make a sincere apology? I have some couples come to see me in horrible shape. They're basically ready to get a divorce. They've already decided they're going to get a divorce. And in that session, one of the partners will have the courage, and I say the word courage, they'll have the courage to look at their partner and say, "I'm sorry." And then their partner typically answers back, "I'm sorry too." And that couple who is ready to get a divorce makes up just like that. Why would you not use that in your arsenal in terms of relationship skills? I mean, that's very powerful. But we as people, we're so proud and we won't take the time to say something as simple as, "I'm sorry," and say it sincerely. Very disarming. Very disarming. There's certain elements that I want to include with this so that you make the best apology possible. One is let me kind of say it this way. When guys mess up, we all say the same thing. We go, "Baby, I'm sorry. Please forgive me." "Baby, I'm sorry. Please forgive me." We all kind of say the same thing. And when you say that, guys, your woman basically is just going to stonewall you. Nope. And because she's like, "You don't get it. And if you don't get it, you might do it again." So they do the opposite of what you're asking. You're saying, "Please forgive me," and they say no. So pay attention to this. And this works even if your woman is watching this. So guys, when you mess up, particularly how bad it is, you want to look at what you did as being unforgivable. Because when you see it as unforgivable, which, by the way, ladies, this is for you, and if you're the offended guy, things aren't unforgivable. Okay? You got to have forgiveness in your heart in order to be successful in life. So you have to look at what you did as being unforgivable, though. Because when you see it as unforgivable, then your woman or your partner is looking at it as, okay, now they get it. And since you get it, now they can start forgiving you. But as long as they don't think you got it, they're not going to forgive you because they worry about a repeated infraction. So you have to see what you did as being unforgivable. And the second part of this that never really gets attended to is you have to stop and think about the impact your behavior has had on their spirit. Most of us, when we first get with our partner, there is a purity to it that reflects the innocence of a third grade little kid. And over time, depending on what we've said or what we've done, we can do a lot of damage to our partner's spirit. And so another part of this that you want to say is, what I did was unforgivable. And you want to, "I am sorry for hurting your spirit and causing you spiritual pain." And that really speaks to your partner on a level they probably don't even know how to articulate. But when you do that, it really moves this forward in terms of us letting these issues go so that we can heal and reconnect. So never underestimate the power of a sincere apology. Be willing to do that. I remember I used to whine in my own head, "Why do I always got to be the one to apologize?" At least that's how I felt. I'm sure my wife felt the same way. Great partners know how to apologize, and they do it sincerely. Thank y'all for tuning in. I'll be looking for y'all in the future. Thank you.